Open the packaging and take out the product. Before installation, please check all components against this list. Remove the power cord ×1 from the packaging. Align the connector with the power port on the rack and press firmly until you hear a click, confirming that it is locked in place. The other end can be connected to a power source. Before installing the base, please use the remote control to raise the TV cabinet by about 5 inches. Easy to use an Allen wrench to tighten M6*12 screws. Insert each component into the corresponding mounting hole at the bottom of the rack. Use the provided hex wrench and screws. Securely fasten all base components to the cabinet. Make sure each fastener is fully tightened. After the base is in place, rotate each leveling foot clockwise until all feet are in firm and even contact with the ground. Adjust each cabinet individually to ensure it is perfectly level. Raise the TV cabinet and install the top support bracket. Remove the 2 top support bracket assemblies and accessories from the packaging. Connect each bracket to one side of the TV mounting frame rail. Adjust the installation height so that the bottom surface of each support bracket is aligned with the marked line on the guide rail. Install the same method on the other side. TV cabinet with top cover installed. Remove the top cover from the packaging and place it on top of the cabinet. Adjust all 4 edges so that the lid is centered on the cabinet frame. The edges of the lid should completely cover all sides of the cabinet. Keeping the lid completely still, peel off the tape over the protective film and slowly pull the protective film out from under the lid. Press the lid down firmly and evenly until the Velcro is completely adhered and the lid is secure. Lift up the cabinet to install the TV. Take 2 TV wall mount brackets ×2 out of the package. Align the bottom edge of each stand with the bottom edge of the TV. Secure each bracket to the TV using the VESA mounting screws that came with the TV. With the help of others, the television was moved to the cabinet. Place the TV horizontally between the 2 lifting columns. Hang the bracket on the lifting guide rail. Adjust the gaps on both sides to make them consistent. Tighten the bracket locking screws to secure it. After installing the TV, put the TV cable inside the cabinet. Use the cable clips provided inside the cabinet to secure the power cord. The cables move in an orderly manner with the lifting mechanism, reducing the risk of tangling and pulling.